Kasi we eat wrong. Tama yun. Kasi dapat i-chew mo yung food para hindi mahirap yung chan mo digest.
Hindi ko na nilunok na.
Sine-chew mo talaga. Tama. That's right. That's the right way to do it.
Agad.
We're supposed to take our time and enjoy the food. That's why you don't overeat also. Because you eat just the right amount.
Tapos meron nung dati, nagkakabaw. Yung big circle na place.
Si Chitas hindi ka ganun.
Na
Chitas, yung tagal. Hindi siya.
bilis. Tapos ang dami. Pag nag-ano na yun, nag-start na yung gumana yung appetite na. Grabe. Ang dami. Bilang kayo na isang ano.
Sa tingin mo, habang dito sa loob, dapat ambitious talaga.
Siguro.
Malamang. Malamang.
Hindi pa kasi yung nawawala eh. Pero sa tingin ko, mas okay siya daw.
You know I love it when you're loving me. Sometimes it's better when it's public.
That is how I'm holding on. But I wanna be your number one. I'm not the kind of girl who gives up just like that. Oh no, it's nothing to do with
Position ko parang tumataan niya.
but it's the way you do the things you do to me. Who gives up just like that? Oh no, that is entertainment kapag tumatain. I'm gonna be your number one. That is how I'm holding on. I'm gonna be your number one. Number one.
Every girl wants me to be her man, but I know it's her man.
Wow, stealing and cheating and cheating and leading and stealing and leading.
I'm not the kind of girl who isn't just like that. Picking it up. That is how I'm holding on. I'm gonna be your number one. That is how, but I don't care if the guy is sad, 'cause I'm gonna be a man who gives the right and I love.
Say that
Number one.
Wait lang, favorite ko to eh. Sorry, di ko matiis.
I wanna jam in.
Ito lang yung love song na sobrang ano ko. If I fell in love with you, would you promise to be true? Help me understand. In love with you, would you promise to be true?
And help me to understand whatever you want.
Go.
Cause I've been in love before, and I found
Found that love is more than just having him.
if I give my heart to
Ang pandigmista ni Paul, try natin.
Wala dyan.
I must
Nandito kayo ang pandigmista.
Dito lang muna.
Sige.
please don't get shy. Brand new would love me more than her.
Angels brought me here.
Just kontrabida, tingnan mo.
Wala pa.
Si Angels brought me here, boy, to. Pangat ang tawa.
Ano number nun? Try ko lang ha. 5483. 5483 mo lang.
Oo.
Ano? 5483.